I welcome you all to Nyamira, and I'm happy you agreed to participate in the Miss Tourism and Mr. Tourism for this county. I've seen a lot of disparity in terms of distribution. In the Kitutu Masaba, there is one for where? Magombo one from Gesima, and all the others are from Nyamira. Itiba Ward is also having a big presence from North Mogiram. None of the other wards. There is one who came from Sidma or where? Kiawanyoru, yes. I don't know whether the others didn't know or they are not endowed, but it's good. It's good, a good representation. Maybe you put them at the ground level. I mean, Muchicho. We have come here to get my goodwill. We'll join you there to see you at work, and may the best win. It's not only cat walking, maybe also talking. I don't know how they charge, but I'm not one of the judges, but I can be able to see at least whoever is on top of the bag, because it's a combination of many other things. So I hope you stayed well where you were staying, and you were well groomed. Were you well groomed?
Yes.
Mulipata chakula every day you were there?
Yes.
Okay, hiyo ndio nataka kujua, because inaweza lipa for hewa tu. Nipewe invoice kuma kukula hata. Asante sana. I think we want all of us as Nyamirians to own our county. It's unfortunate that some people, either political or not, they talk ill of Nyamira without knowing actually they are destroying themselves. Because ukiambia watu ya nje kwenu sio kuzuri, how will they come to invest? They will not. So whether you win, number one, but you are participating, I'm urging you to be good ambassadors for the county. By now you know what we have in terms of tourism, and I hope you were taken through the projects we are doing as a county, like what we are doing in the medical side, what we are doing for roads, what we are doing in other sectors in education. Like you already know, as a county, I educate more than 751 students free from Form 1 with the uniform up to Form 4. Were you taken through the county? What do you do? Were you taken through?
Yes. Yes.
So, and many other projects, which we cannot say now because another meeting is also waiting, and some others are starting. Taranta is starting in the next few minutes. So, be good ambassadors. Hata mama yako akiwa mbaya, atakuwa mbaya na akakuzaa. So love your account. You can give us those ones in the leadership. Give us positive criticism. It's not that we cannot improve. There is always room for improvement. But we want Nyamira ikue ipepe huko juu. Ingara kila mtu in the country anajua iko Nyamira, and for positive reasons. So as you go out after the auditions and after the finals, be our good ambassador. I would like to meet you again, maybe when we have enough time, isn't it?
Yes.
So that kila mtu useme utatusaidia namna gani in terms of marketing, and how we can engage you. Although our wage bill is plotted, but you can be a frontier to pay for transport to see why you are not working, isn't it? We can engage on those lines. Asante sana, na may the best win.
Models that are seated here today, it is euphoric to be in your presence. I've not had a one-on-one encounter to talk to a governor and he's listening. So much gratitude about it. We want to brief you about our stay, and then we are also to brief you about the tourist sites that we had gone to, and to give you a brief highlight about the things that how the youth, we as the youth, can partner with the county to make our county, to market our county outside. So first, we are very grateful about, number one was the accommodation. We got good accommodation, good meals, we slept well, and we got exquisite trainers to train us through the entire period of the boot camp. So we are very grateful about that. And then number two, I did not entirely realize how infinite the possibilities we have as a county. For a moment, I came to understand our county in a different perspective that I had not seen before. Nyamira County is blessed. There are a lot of tourism attraction sites that we can improve as a county and market our county properly. Beginning from the Manga escarpments that we are capable of touring. We went to the Nkowora forest that we saw, and then also Keera Falls. Those are amongst the most noble tourist attraction sites that can be improved to market our county and give it a better brand name. Besides that, the population, the current population of Nyamira County, according to the 2019 census, is a substantial portion of the population, which is close to 33% of the population, is made of youth. 33%. If you break down that population, 33% gets the biggest segment. So Nyamira is a county that has a youthful population. So we are capable of working together. The county government can collaborate with the youth in various ways to uphold our county. So as models, we are very grateful, and we are looking forward to being best brand ambassadors for this country. Thank you. I'm grateful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Maybe with the time we plan to meet, we can engage more on details.
Yes.
And I get your ideas.